Hello guys, so today we are here at Warship Museum.
So this is the entry, and first we have to buy the ticket. So let's check the counter.
Zero entry.
So this warship museum is located near Rabindranath Tagore Beach in Karwar. This INS Chapel is an Indian Navy ship which was active in service during the Indo-Pakistan War in the year 1971. As you have seen, it is also a small warship compared to this day's mega ships. But in 2006, this ship was converted into a museum to display sea artifacts.